Boral. Giron Giron. Mansilla and Monica. From the side of Arrow Strike, Babala, Sarsilia. Panganiban, Bayoga and Camacho. First five is into the main court. Again. Panganiban, pass to Sarsilia. Foul, Rabulan. First personal foul, first team foul. Last row jumpers ready. No. Rebound by Boral pass to Boyga. Giron. Pinikpur to by Giron.
Burger ka dyan, boy!
Panganiban. Jersey number 19. Pass to Camacho. No good. Panganiban pass. Pass to Boral. Pass to Mansilla. Mansilla. Rabulan pass. Pinikpur to by Rabulan. Panganiban. Jersey number 19. He's still by Mansilla.
Nice one!
Behind the back, Mansilla. Foul, is a basket foul. Babala first personal foul. First team foul. Sod, pabukas dyan, Sod. Pa-switch. Ayo.
Hindi ba kayo ni?
Last 1 minute and 56 seconds. Patay for 1 Mansilla. Abala, pass to Panganiban, jersey number 19. Panganiban. Pass to Babala, size 8. There's a basket foul, foul, Rabulan, second personal foul, second team foul. Last 1 minute and 46 seconds. Bonus shot. Gumbo, rebound kay Rabulan. Pass to Boral, to Mansilla. Pass to Mojica. Sarsilia pass to Babala. Babala kay Nick to Babala. Last 1 minute and 35 seconds. Mansilla, pass to Boral. Boral fires. Dugu, follow up by Mojica. 2 points.
Parehito yan, parehito!
Pass to Panganiban, jersey number 19. Save ball. Save ball. Last 1 minute and 2 seconds. Shot clock 13. Pass to Panganiban, pass to Babala. Last 58 seconds. Camacho. 3 points, Camacho. He scored. 9 against 7. Moika. Foul. Babala. Second personal foul. Second team foul. Last 40 seconds. Inbounding Giron. Mansilla no good. Boral no good. Pass to Boral. Ooh. Last 30 seconds. Moika. Pass to Boral. Turnover. Last 24 seconds. Pass to Pakaliban. Last 20 seconds. Camacho first. Last 15 seconds. Mansilla. Lays up. Last 10 seconds. Same ball. Last 9.7 seconds.
Jelly dapat yung brain.
Turnover pa rin. Pakaliban. Last 5 seconds. Basa na lang. Mansilla. Giron. Basket.
Miss!
Patay po ito, Giron. Babala. Pass sa bakay. Rebound by Buran. Turnover. Rico. Last 2 minutes and 36 seconds. Moral. Pass to Mansilla. To Moika. No good. Vargas. Pusil by Moral. Pass to Mansilla. Nice pass, Giron. 2 points. Dilo Santos, pass to Vargas. Camacho, no good.
Oy, nagagawa
Yan ball. Safe ball. That's 1 minute and 54 seconds. Huwag mong iulan. Moika. It's a traveling violation. Huwag mong iulan. May bukas pa. Ayan na. Timeout management.
Second quarter, last 1 minute and 48 seconds. No good. Camacho pass for three. No good. Mansilla. No good. Power rebound to Giron. Gural to Mansilla. No good. Mansilla again. Number 2. Yes! Foul! Pili ko ba yan? 2, foul. Number 28. Bunjo! 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 Yes.
Makabayad. Continuous lang ba?
Wow, no good.
Last 1 minute and 5 seconds.
Galing yan. May play.
Marias. Anong tawag?
Grabe na yung violation. Bating ka ba nila pas kabural? Tubilisana.
Labot!
Isana pas to ka ba nila to Giron. It's a counter foul. Reyes. First, second team foul.
Ano yun ang pupundado?
The next 4-3. Marias. Connect for 2. Yeah.
Ayun sila,
Alat lang. Last 50 seconds. No good.
Dito ang kota ba ka
Turnover. Last 39 seconds. Yan na yun. Last 35 seconds. 3 seconds. Violation. Last 32 seconds. Cabanela. Tumansilla, no good. Number rebound, Giron, no good. Last 20 seconds, Giron again. No good. Connect for 2. Ayun. Last 10 seconds. Last 5. Basa na lang. Reyes to Bural. Eyes for Turi. No good. Vargas. No good. Power rebound. Bural. Reyes to Camacho. To Reyes. No good. Reyes again.
Reyes,
Pagkasa. Pass to Ibis. Connect for 2.
Dito mawabukal sa balat.
Camacho.
Walang 3 seconds.
Foul. Ibis. First personal foul. First team foul.
Ikaw muna sa inyo, quarter. Tapos ko muna ako.
Connect for 1. Reyes.
Score!
22 against 10. Good. Ibis.
Kapit! Pa!
Basketballeros ball.
Brad!
Reyes. 14 to shoot. Kinda sa
Nakaduwas din sa ano? Balak mo na ba?
Bigyan ni Kural.
Same ball.
Arrow strike ball. Camacho to Vargas. No good. Power rebound. Sarsilia 2 points. Stepping. Ay. Stepping on the line. Bounding Vargas. To Sarsilia. No good.
Alas 9 daw na wala.
To Kindosa. Kindosa. Uy, ay. Camacho.
Quarter bilo pa tiraw niya tak
2 points. No good. Kindosa. Steal Sarsilia. Vargas. No good. Sarsilia. No good. Ibis.
Kapit. Push, push.
Turnover. Time out. Third ball.
May puto pala ni
Same ball.
Bayo mo nito.
Pinapagulong? Bawal na ito?
Dito dito.
Dahil bawal na
Dito. Dahil pa naka-stop duman din nila pero pag nagugulong sila.
Test. Calling for 2.
Goal ni.
Reyes. To Kindosa. To Ibis. Fires. Correct for 2. Yun. Camacho driving the ball. Miscommunication. Reyes. Pass for 3, no good. Power rebound, Bural. 2. Foul. Cortez. First team foul. Last 1 minute and 26 seconds.
Ugo dyan. Bugo.
10 to shoot. Steal. Vargas. Steal Kindosa. Same ball. 12 to shoot. That's 12 to shoot. Rest no good. Power rebound. Vargas. Steal Ibis. Ibis to Rabulan. Turnover.
Binasog mo ay.
That's 1 minute and 3 seconds.
Binasog.
Japanese kick. Middle. 1 minute. 15 to shoot. Goral.
Ba.
Balik, saro lang balik.
Ba, ay kita bo. Kita ka naman ay boy.
Last 46 seconds. Last 45 seconds. Tupayanga.
Boy! Sige lang.
Rabulan. Ay.
Robin? Ano ba na rin?
Second team foul. Ay, third runner. Last 37 seconds. Oral. Skill Bayoga. Last 30 seconds. Sarsian, no good. Our rebound, Reyes. Pahad, no good. Dagat. Last 21 seconds. Shot knock off. Reyes. Pass to Ramulan. Turnover. Last 12 seconds. Pipi pa yung sapatos. Last 10 seconds.
Paso lang ako.
Last 5 seconds.
Magpasok ko sa inyo, mag-tira ka talaga yung pag-libre.
Last 5 seconds.
Gusto na, gusto! Baba! Baba!
Buzzer na lang.
Nice!
Running score 16 against 24 in favor of Basketballeras. Mansilla pass to Boral. No good. Foul. Giron. First team foul. Camacho. 14 to shoot. Vargas. No good. Cabanela. Camacho. Sarsilia.
Bula! Tong ino? Nalupad na yun. Amay pa man. Ay.
No good. Vargas. Our rebound, Moral. Sumansilla. To shoot. No good. Mansilla. No good. Sarsilia. Foul. Mansilla. First personal foul, second team foul. Last 2 minutes in 53 seconds. Dua lang, may magiw. Technique for one.
Ano? Tubig, ano ba?
Number 17. Number 70.
Uy, may dala pa yung tubig. Wala, may tubig pa rin duman.
Complete free throw. Wow. Spin move. Mansilla. 3 seconds violation. Camacho.
Uy, trouble.
Mansilla, no good. Cover rebound, Payong. To Sarcilla, to Camacho. Giron. Giron, second.
Score.
20 against 24.
Uy, apat lang yan. Wise go. Uy, ayos. Apat lang ang mundo.
No good. Vargas. Camacho. 14 to shoot. Putting for 2. 2-point lead. That's 1 minute and 53 seconds. Putting for 2.
Uy, tama kayo to.
Mansilla. Turnover. Timeout. For the end of the game. In the next game, please prepared. Hot Boys versus Jervels Asikaso. Same ball. Japanese cake. Japanese cake.
Uy, nagkilipot na duro.
Japanese cake. Cortez, no good. Symbol. 1 minute and 22 seconds. Baknay. Vargas. Yala. Bilisana. Steal Cortez. Vargas. Tugiron. Steal. Vargas again. No good. Reyes. 2 points. 2-point lead.
Ayos, ayos.
Last 1 minute and 2 seconds. No good, double rebound. Giron, no good. Burral, sa ilalim, no good. Giron. Same ball, last 45 seconds.
Uy, likod.
13 to shoot. 2-point lead. Steal, Vargas. Foul. Cabanela. Not counted. Not counted. Cabanela.
Uy, kuha na ka mo saro.
Second. Warning for penalty. Last 38 seconds. Foul. Mansilla. Mansilla. Second penalty. Official running score 26 against 24.
May timeout pa kami.
Saro.
Saro pa.
Iyo, saro. Go.
Oras.
37 seconds.
May traveling.
Steal. Mansilla, last 30 seconds. Last 30 seconds. Vargas. Last 20. Time out. Last 19 seconds. Shot clock is open. No good. No good. Last 10 seconds. Last 5. Same one. Last 5 seconds. Yung buzzer na lang.